Where is this market headed? That's the question that we're being asked by buyers, sellers, and investors. This is Big John Peterson with Remax Realty Professionals, and it's Big John's thoughts on the market for November. I'm going to hopefully help answer or give you some information around where we think things are going to be going. What I'd like to do is do a quick summary of where we are with the current key numbers. So I want to start with the absorption rate. And again, remember, a balanced market is sort of 2 to 3.5 months worth of supply in the market. Once we get over 3.5, 4 months worth of supply in the market, it is definitely a buyer's market, and we see prices start to soften. So through the city of Calgary, in general, the average is about 5.5 months worth of supply in the market. Single family detached is just under 5 months worth of supply. Attached homes, those are your townhomes, things like that. There's about 6.5 months worth of supply. And with the apartment style condominiums, we're sitting at over 7 months worth of supply in the marketplace. Those numbers are high. They are all in buyer market territory. It means that there's some great opportunities to purchase a property. So it's really important when you're looking at making a move, if you're investing or a first-time home buyer, great to be getting into the market. Also, once you get your home sold, and that's the emphasis here, do not get yourself into a position where you bought something else without getting your existing home sold, because it could take a little bit longer. You might not get quite as much as you're thinking you would for your existing home. So we want to make sure that we plan that out properly so that, again, you can sell your home and really take advantage of the high inventory numbers, the fact that there's a lot of homes out there that are vacant or offering quick possession, and that we get you the right deal on your purchase. That's where the money is made in this real estate market. If we take a look at how many sales are happening for every new listing, if you look at Calgary and surrounding area, you're seeing there's just over 0.5 of a sale for every new listing. We're seeing 0.6 of a sale for every new listing in detached properties, and about 0.45 of a sale for every new listing that's coming in the attached market and the condominium market. So it doesn't look like those numbers are going to trend differently as we move forward. Put those in perspective for you. All of these numbers are a bit better than they were last month, and that's because we're seeing fewer homes coming onto the marketplace. There's a lot of people that will either not put their home on over Christmas and New Year's, or they'll start taking their home off the market. If you're looking at selling, that's a great thing because there's less competition in the marketplace right now. So we encourage you, if you are thinking about making a move, now is not a bad time. Actually, by the numbers, by the statistics, it's actually a good time to be looking at making that move. Overall, year-to-date sales are down about 14% versus a year ago. New listing inventory this month is up about 3% versus a year ago. And overall, year-to-date new listing inventory, we see that it is up about 24%. But again, a lot of that is just because we have fewer sales occurring. It's not because we have a ton of new listings. It's just there's not the sales that are occurring. Now, what we're seeing moving forward is that we are seeing that there's some investors coming into the marketplace. We're seeing that there's a lot of people looking at trying to make a purchase before the next interest rate increases start to happen. And there's an expectation that we'll likely see, a half to a full percentage point of interest rate increases, which if you take a look on a $400,000 or $500,000 mortgage, that could increase your cost by $25,000 over a 5-year mortgage. So a lot of people are going, geez, maybe I'm better to buy now at the lower interest rate so I don't have those increased payments that are all it's going to is towards interest payments. It's not going towards anything else, principal or pay down of the mortgage or anything like that. So we're having a lot of people start to talk to us about this timing, about taking advantage of some of the great opportunities that are out there. And over the 21 years our team has been in business here in Calgary, we've seen ups and downs in the market. We've helped some people become very well off because they've gone and invested in real estate during these slower times. We've also helped people get into those dream homes that they've wanted because they have made these moves when interest rates were lower, when there was lots of inventory, and when there was some pressure on prices. So we'd love to talk to you about that. It's not all doom and gloom. There's some great opportunities out there, but you have to plan properly. all of the money right now is made in the purchase. So what you want to do is make sure that you're set up properly for that. And that's what we're here to do, help you with that. So please, if you have any questions, you're thinking about making a move in the next 6 to 12 months, you want to talk about a plan, even if you're not planning on doing it right away, we'd love to speak with you so that we can get that planned out so you can understand what the pros and cons of making a move in this real estate market are. Hope you're having a great day, and love to any feedback that you have or to hear what your thoughts might be on the market and what you're thinking of doing over the next 6 to 12 months. Have a great day.